What was the worst decision you saw someone else make? I slowed down from 70 miles per hour to about 55 miles per hour on a highway because I saw a large kangaroo at the side of the road up ahead. A young guy behind revved his car at me and drove really close and held his horn down, obviously annoyed. I had gently put the brakes on, so couldn't understand what his problem was. I put the brakes on again when I saw the kangaroo start taking off in front of me, and all of a sudden the idiot behind me floored it around my car and absolutely decapitated the poor animal. I swear, I saw it bend in half the wrong way. He pulled over further ahead and I drove past him with tears in my eyes. He had a really expensive looking car, and I hope the kangaroo did some exceptional damage to it.